$5 a set. That's cheap. Where did you get yours? Just Amazon? You ordered what'd you call it? Sticker stencils or?
I looked up, yeah.
When you use a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, please make sure it's almost all the water's out of it, because otherwise you're going to leak water under your stencils or, sorry. You can also create, like little lines for a mast in a sailboat or something by using tape too. So let me show that at the same time, I think, maybe if I can. Okay, so if I wanted to pick up a line here, you could even put down, if it's dry, put down your tape and lift your line that way. And don't scrub your paper, just gently lift it out. And you can even blot it first. So that could be a blade of grass I brought back or something, wanted to bring back. And then if you lay a stencil down, you just actually keep dabbing off. It's just taking the paint off. And it doesn't, don't go like this, just gently. See how I'm doing that? And it's just damp. And then you can use a paper towel and even blot where you have it. And then you pick it up and then you've got a design. So watercolor is so much more versatile than we give it credit, the people in the past give credit for. And then here's the